Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. In this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can doodle on a snap on Snapchat. So, let's get started.
Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technologyglance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started.
First of all, open the Snapchat app on your device. Now, take a snap. After that, tap on the second icon from the right hand side of your screen. Now, pick a color and then doodle whatever you want to. And that's it. This is how you can doodle on Snap.
Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we will love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.